So, which level do you think you are right now?
Don't worry, learning English is a journey. Start where you are and keep going step by step.
Welcome to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy.
Today, we're going to talk about CEFR Levels, a system that helps you understand your English level.
Yes, CEFR means Common European Framework of Reference for Languages. It's used all around the world to measure your English ability, from beginner to advanced.
In simple words, CEFR helps you know where you are and what you should learn next. There are 6 CEFR levels: A1, A2, B1, B2, C1, and C2.
Let's go through them step by step. This is the starting point of learning English. You can understand and use very simple words and phrases.
For example, my name is Sarah. I am from Sri Lanka.
At this level, you can talk about yourself using basic words and simple sentences.
Now, you can talk about daily life, your family, hobbies, and job.
For example, I like listening to music. I go to work every day.
At this level, you can talk about your daily activities in English.
At this level, you can handle everyday conversations and explain your ideas clearly.
For example, I went to Candy last weekend. I want to improve my English speaking.
At this level, you can express yourself in English with more confidence.
Now you can communicate fluently and naturally with others. You can discuss different topics and share opinions easily.
For example, watching English movies helps me learn pronunciation.
At this level, you can speak almost fluently with native speakers.
At this level, your English is strong and professional. You can use English confidently at work or university.
For example, good communication skills are important for success.
At this level, you can use English naturally.
This is the highest level in CEFR. You can understand almost everything you hear or read.
You can express yourself just like a native speaker.
At this level, your English is perfect.
Let's quickly go over all 6 levels again.
A1, beginner level, very simple English.
A2, elementary level, basic daily English.
B1, intermediate level, everyday English.
B2, upper intermediate level, confident speaking.
C1, advanced level, fluent and natural.
C2, proficient level, near native level.
So, which level do you think you are right now?
Don't worry, learning English is a journey. Start where you are and keep going step by step.
Subscribe to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy, and keep improving your English with us.
See you in another lesson. Good luck.